He took his sheep to the village and shut them in their pen. See, this is the flock of sheep, and this is the wolf among the sheep who's wearing sheep clothes, sheepskin. And this is the villager who's locking them in the pen. Moral: wickedness attracts its price, which is fine, but why would they show a bearded wolf in a story that I'm reading to a 4-month-old child? Yeah, come on.
Apple. Papa?
Huh?
Apple.
Why are you teaching me? I know it. Teach him.
Kabir, let's teach Papa. Come on.
No, you teach him now.
Kabir, देखो. Apple. Kabir, seriously. Apple. Let's teach Papa. Teach Papa. Papa.
Yeah?
We're teaching Papa. Apple. Oh, no. Okay, please, little boy, open the book. Yes. This is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. How I wonder what you are. Oh, no, there's nothing on this page. Okay, open. Next page. Thank you. Next page. Yes, very good. Aha. Next page. Yeah, clapping. This book is acting funny, na? It's not opening, na? Yes. Aha, very nice. Chalo. No, next page. Yeah, this one. My God, Pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened the little mouse under her chair.
Humpty Dumpty. Did you know the story of Humpty Dumpty? What happened to him? I'll tell you. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. That's the Humpty. He fell down. This is Jack and Jill's story. Whoa, done with the book. That's fine. These stories have no moral whatsoever. And the best part is, Kabu, the only difference is that this is probably the only book which does not have any blood in it. I mean, there is blood. The tail got cut, so blood must have come out, but it's not depicted on the book. So there you go. Nani's non-bloody, non-gory book for you.
See, Panditji took the matka and Panditji was feeding the cows. Panditji ki shaadi ho gayi. Ding ding dak dak 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 ding ding. Very good.
There is snow everywhere that Mary went. Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Yes? Okay. Alexa, play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Ready? Kabu,
Mary
ready?
Had a Little Lamb.
Yes.
By Derek and Debbie.
Yes. Play that.
Mary
Had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. हाँ, और ये वाला याद है जब विलेजर्स आ गए थे, फिशेस को ढूंढ रहे थे और सब फिश ने क्या बोला? डू यू रिमेम्बर दिस स्टोरी? अच्छा, remember this story?
Cock-a-doodle-doo, my Dean has lost her shoe. My master's lost his spindling stick and doesn't know what to do. Okay, next one. Ringa, ringa, roses, pocket full of poses. Time shoot, we all fall down. All fall down? Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Oh, come, let's go to bed, says Mr. Sleepyhead. Sit up a while, say slow, bang on the pot, say greedy gut, we'll suck before we go. To bed, to bed, to bed, to bed, cried Mr. Sleepyhead. But all of the rest said no, it is morning now. You must milk the cow, and tomorrow to bed we go. Like that, okay? Next page please, next page. Next page please. Turn the page. Thank you. Okay, this one. Three blind mice, see how they run, see how they run.
Kabu, say "Rrrr" if you see the lion. Okay? Lion. No? No lion. Okay. Make noise if you see the lion. Oi. Oh yes, lion is there. Okay. Make noise if you see the elephant. Elephant is there. Yes, it's there. Very nice. Okay, now make noise if you see monkey. You're confused? Okay, fine. Make noise if you see apple, B for ball, C for cake, and D for dog. E for elephant, F for fruits, G for grapes, and H for horse. I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, and L for lion. Kabu, why do you do E when the lion comes? Okay, I'll show you. Okay, make noise if you see the lion. Oh, lion. Make noise if you see the ball. Okay. Make noise if you see dog. Okay, dog. Make noise if you see elephant. Oh, make noise if you see lion. Where? Lion. Okay, make noise if you see lion. There is no lion. Okay, make noise if you see lion. Oh, lion is there, Baba. Okay, cool.
Crocodile? So I'll tell you. Okay. See, Kabu. This is the story of two birds. Their name was Antra and Mantra. Yeah. Okay. Hi, say hi to yourself. Okay, see. So then these two birds were very hungry. Yeah, they were hungry. Please turn the page for me this side. So they went to eat the oranges on this tree. One bird loved the oranges and said, yeah. She said, I would like to eat more, but you changed the story. Oh wow, fishes. Oh my God. Oh, you brought me back to the story. Yeah. Antra and Mantra. Antra and Mantra eating a apple. Why did you close the book? Why did you close the book? No. Open. Yes, very good. Yay. No, you're opening it from the wrong side. Here, open it from here, like this. Aha. ये पंडित जी आ गए यहाँ पे और पंडित जी ने बोला काऊ को मिल्क पीना है, काऊ ने बोला नहीं अभी नहीं पीना। फिर यहाँ पे पंडित जी की शादी हो गई।